Before the video starts, I want you to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you'll get notified when I release new videos. And also leave a comment as well. Hey guys, cooldomino here, and today we have a Federal Signal Model 2. Now this is not mine, this is Micah Rakeshaw. This is kind of like another collab with Micah Rakeshaw here. And we just stuffed the Model A in it, which is pretty cool.
So yeah, Model A chopper inside Model 2 housing.
Show you real quick. So we have the Model A in there, which is pretty cool.
Yep.
I'll move this back up and line with the wire. And yeah, it's just been repainted. He does have the actual chopper, but it's under repairs at the moment. Right now, chopper and motor. Pretty cool. It's a 240 model, or 220, 240, whatever you call it. So let's go ahead and test this out. I have my potentiometer off screen, and I could use that to change the power output. And I changed it so it sounds a lot like a Thunderbolt 1000 at chopper level 6 or 5, something like that. Let's go ahead and set this thing up. And now at full power. Yeah, just for fun. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.